And welcome back to Living by Touch with Neil Ramcharan. Today I'm going to teach my daughter how to cook curry chicken. Right, so what we do is we have some,
Get a spoon.
so we have some onions and pepper. Well, not pepper because she don't eat pepper. So we have onions and pimento and garlic cut up. So what she's going to do is stir in that first and let it fry up. Go ahead. Give me this. Nice. I just have a pot of the ingredient chef, right? So while that's frying up, right, so what? You're just gonna let this get brown, right? See that, huh? Get brown, right? So as soon as it starts to get a little brown, you don't want to get too dark, right? Because you know it tastes good, right?
Okay.
So you don't want to get a little brown. Let's turn them around a little bit. You pause? Right, so now she's going to throw in some curry. Well, throw it in. Alright, and turn it around. So, the curry that we get these days, you can't really fry it up like long time. Long time you can fry the curry for like a 2, 3, 4 minutes. But nowadays you can't really do that. The curry comes in so pre-cooked that it actually tastes burnt if you leave it too long. Right? So we let it fry up a little bit. Right, so what we added now, we added something called curry leaf or carapule leaf into the pot. I help you with that. Alright. Just break them apart and just add them in. Alright. Like I said today, I do have a pot. Right, so what we're gonna do now is add some water to the curry. We're going to let that fry up and let all the water burn out. Right, so now we see the curry fry up nice and we're going to add the chicken. So I will help her, just add it. Right? Give it a bit here, make sure the curry cover up all the chicken, right? Hold it. Make sure the curry cook all the chicken pieces, right?
It's hard to get hot.
Now lower the stove down. Alright, lower down. And get a cover for the pot pan. I will let it off with, alright?
Oh no, the thing. So, another one behind it.
Let it down. Right, so what we'll do, we'll cover this and leave it to cook for a couple of minutes and we'll come back and check it.
Yeah.
In this house here, when they're cooking, or when anybody cooking, they have to clean up while they're cooking. So now we have Trishana washing up some wares, making sure she, wash them up clean and nice. Right. So when we finish cook, the kitchen will also be clean. Well, say hi now, Trishana. Say hello. Hail out your cousins, Anushka, Amelia, Lincoln. Yeah?
3, 2.
Right, so we are back here. So what we did is we put the chicken to fry up a little bit for 5 minutes. And then we added some water. And now we are going to uncover and see how it looks. Right, so chicken looking nice. So what we're going to do now is add the final touches to the seasoning, right? So we're going to add some green seasoning. your time. Got it? Right. And mix it up. Nice. Right, so and that green seasoning just to add a little extra flavor to the chicken. And after that, we're going to take out some for Trishana and add pepper for the adults because we like it hot. Right, people, so if you all enjoyed that video, please like, share and subscribe and leave me a message telling me what you all would like to see. Also remember, today's video wasn't about the curry chicken, it was about me, a blind dad, showing my daughter how to cook chicken. So until the next video, bye.